I'll be going over Enhancement 9 in this video. We will go and look at some things that I've added. If we look at the crash element, we can see that I've added 2 more and that the thumbnails show up here. We'll validate the CSS first. We see that it's good. And we'll validate the HTML. See that it is also good. If we inspect this, we can see that it's less than 500. And if we inspect these ones, you can see that they're less than 200. The other one that I added pictures to was the Koenigsegg over here. And we can see the extra pictures down here. Validate the CSS, and it's good. And we'll validate the HTML. You can see that it's good. If we inspect it, it's less than 500. If we go to these ones down here, it's less than 200. And now if we go up to our table, we can see that each picture or each product has a normal picture and a thumbnail to go with it.